Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today we'll do reading about how will be your rest of 2021. What blessings you'll get in the remaining part of 2021. So this is a pick a card reading. We have two cards. First is the Lovers card, and second we have is the Sun card. So whichever card you are resonating with the most, you can watch that card. And if you want to watch both the cards, you can watch both the piles. Okay. And we'll start your reading with card number 1, the Lovers card. Hi guys, if you have chosen card number 1, the Lovers card, so let's see how will be your rest of 2021. Let's see for the Lovers card, people. Okay, how will be your rest of 2021? Those who have chosen card number 1. Okay, first we have Page of Cups, High Priestess, Three of Swords, Eight of Wands. Okay guys, so I feel that first of all though you will get a lot of communication in the rest of 2021. Okay, you will communicate a lot with people, or if you're waiting for a call, a message, or a clarity from a partner or from a job or anything, okay, from a person, so you will get that commitment, that call, that clarity, okay, that message. And I think most of you will become very intuitive. Your intuition power will grow a lot. Okay, you will trust your intuition, you will become very spiritual. Okay, and your sixth sense will improve. Okay, you will get intuitions, and you will become very secretive in the coming months. Because I think now you just prefer to be alone and be secretive and not to share your life or secrets with anyone, because maybe people have dished you in the past. Okay, and I feel that you are bringing your artistic talents inside you and you're showing that to the world. Maybe you are a good artist, you're a good painter or a good poet or anything, so you'll bring that talent among people. Okay, and you're becoming very creative. And I also feel that you're getting this cup of love from someone who is like very emotionally connected with you. You will get that you'll feel that bond with that particular someone. Okay, then we have Three of Swords. Definitely I think you guys are suffering from heartbreak, or a relationship is causing you a heartbreak, or a job is causing you a heartbreak, or generally you are at a very down phase in your life right now. But there will be a healing because we have Page of Cups. Okay, so you will leave all those people, all those situations, or all those relationships that are causing you this heartbreak. You will heal your heart chakra. Okay, now you will spend time with people who actually are good for your mental health as well as emotional health. Let's see more how will be your rest of 2021. We have Awareness. Again, we have the couple card, Awareness, Magician, and the High Priestess. So definitely you'll connect with people who are actually, your intuition will guide you, that your intuition will say that yes, this person is correct for me, this person is right for me, whether it's in your job or in your love life or in your friend circle, anything. Okay, you will become very intuitive, and I think you're manifesting something or someone. Definitely your manifestations will come true, and your partner will be very intuitive as well as spiritual. You will be like this solid couple, spiritual couple. Let's see more. Spiritual strength. I told you, your spiritual strength will increase. You will become more close to divine. You will start believing in the blessings of divine. You will start believing in manifestation and in the magic of the divine, and you will be more spiritual as a person. Maybe you will heal yourself a lot. Financial and material changes, so maybe you are going through a lot of down phase in your material life or financial life, or your career life is not going that good. So I think you'll work on that financial material life of yours, because you will get a new job offer, or maybe a job offer which is very far away from your place you're living right now. Let's see more. See, positive movement forward. So you will travel a lot, okay, or someone will come from far away place to meet you, or long distance connections, long distance communications will be important for you. Maybe you can meet someone online, or maybe you can go outside the country, you can go abroad, you can settle abroad, okay, you will travel. Maybe it's a place where there's a lot of water, okay, so there's a lot of traveling related to career wise especially, or you can settle outside the country. Okay, so long distance connections, communications are quite important in the coming time. Let's see more. We have money, yeah. So yeah, you are attracting money. I think the major challenge in your life right now is your career and money and pentacles and finances. So you will work hard, you will work a lot to earn this money, okay. I know you are facing a very down phase in your life right now because of your career life, but your condition will improve in the rest of 2021, okay. Maybe you will travel a lot for your career, for your job. Spirit symbols. So yeah, your spirits will guide you. You will see a lot of spirit symbols, maybe in your dreams or in real life, or some angel numbers, okay. So there's a spiritual strength and spirit symbol. So definitely you are very spiritual as a person, and this spiritual power of yours will help you in achieving a lot of abundance in your life. Let's see more. Expectations. So you're expecting a lot from your life, okay, or maybe you have certain expectations from some people, and those people are continuously breaking your heart. So you will get rid of all the expectations which you have kept from the people, and now you'll start working on yourself. You'll stop this overthinking nature of yours. Maybe you overthink a lot about some certain situations or certain people, so you need to stop this overthinking. Okay, we got this card, which is the high honor. So it's a card of respect. So maybe you're getting a lot of respect in the society. Maybe you are cracking some exam, or a result is coming, or you're getting a new job, especially in army or something. Okay, but it will be a very respectful job. And those of you are waiting for a communication, definitely you will get this communication, you'll get this clarity. And long distance connections are very important for you in the coming time. Let's see from here. We have successful outcome to your problems. So right now you are facing a lot of problems, maybe in different areas, but now you will get the successful outcome in the rest of 2021. Here we have sorrow over a loss. So maybe you had a loss in your life right now. Okay, maybe you are in this phase, heartbreak phase right now. Okay, so you will get over that loss. Short journeys. He had told that you will travel a lot in the coming time. So maybe you'll travel to meet a person, or someone is coming to meet you. Strong emotion, passionate love or hate. So your emotions will be very high. Sometimes you will feel extremely love for someone, sometimes you'll feel extremely hate for someone. Okay, so you need to balance your emotions. You need to work on your emotional side, on your heart chakra. Opportunities are waiting for you. See, this door of the success door is opening for you, especially in the career life. And if you're looking for a relationship, definitely you're attracting that partner who's on the same page as you, like, because you have the couple card, the magician and the high priestess. So you'll attract a very spiritual person. Let's see advice for you. Card number 1. Wondrous universe, walk in beauty. So see, universe is supporting you, spirits are supporting you. I think most of your problems will be solved if you will start manifesting, or if you will start imagining that that thing is already with you. Okay, so you should manifest a lot. You should trust on the divine timing. You should trust on the universe, because I think there are some wonderful surprises which universe has planned for you, which will get in 2021. Okay, so guys, this is your reading. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Hi guys, group number 2, if you have chosen the Sun card, so let's see how will be your rest of 2021. What good news, surprises you will get in your rest of 2021. Okay, how will be your rest of 2021? Pile number 2. Nine of Pentacles, the Fool, Two of Wands, Three of Wands. Okay, so guys, very beautiful cards. First of all, you'll achieve a lot. You will achieve a lot. You will be a very independent person, a very independent soul. Okay, you will not depend on anyone for your material life, or for your emotions. Okay, you will learn to relax in your life. See, this person is enjoying with under the tree with a glass of champagne, okay, and reading a book. So you will enjoy your life at the best. Okay, you will live a very luxurious life. And I think you'll get a new job, which is a very high paid job, very high salary job. Okay, so now, like, it's like you are relaxing in your life. Okay, and I think you will travel the world also. Maybe you want to go abroad. So, okay, so there will be an opportunity where you can travel, because you have Two of Wands. Or I think you are waiting for someone to come to you. Okay, and you're waiting for an opportunity, or you're waiting for a partner. Maybe you guys have a long distance relationship. Okay, so you're waiting for this person. So this person is coming to meet you. This coming is coming in your life. Or maybe you are waiting for a call or a message. So someone is taking a leap of faith towards you. Okay, maybe like you have given hope on this person, but now this person is returning in your life, or an opportunity is coming in your life, but you will be very happy. Okay, the rest of 2021 will be like very lucky time for you, very happy time for you. Okay, and I think you will get an opportunity from a very long distance, maybe from outside the place you are living. Okay, maybe from the abroad you're getting an opportunity, but someone is coming towards you, and someone that you are waiting for from a long time. Okay, that person is actually making a move towards you. Let's see more. Truth. So yeah, a judgment is coming for you. Okay, maybe you are waiting for this judgment from a long time. Maybe you have suffered a lot in your life, but now is the time for the judgment, and that judgment will be in your favor. You will know the truth that you are searching for. Financial material changes. So your financial life will improve, because you have Nine of Pentacles. Okay, you will work hard a lot. Okay, you need to work hard to switch from this Five of Pentacles to Nine of Pentacles. You need to work hard a lot for your career. Victory and success. So you will get this victory and success in a relationship, or in a job, or in anything you want to manifest. Okay, you will be victorious, you will be successful, and you will be happy. We have power, we have strength. So you will be very powerful. Okay, if you right now are in a very emotional zone, you are not realizing the powers that you have inside you. You are not realizing your full potential. Okay, you will realize. Maybe right now you are afraid of changes, but these changes are beneficial for you. You will face all the challenges in your life with courage, and whatever challenges, like in your relationship, or in your job, or in your health, you will face that, and you will emerge very victorious and successful. Okay, and like your lucky time is now starting. Let's see more. celebrations. A lot of celebrations are coming for you, maybe a marriage, maybe engagement, maybe a new job, but you are celebrating. Your life will become a celebration in the coming 2021. Proposal, yeah. So if you're waiting for this proposal from a person, that person is proposing you, okay. And if you're single, so a proposal is coming in your life, and if you are with someone, that person will propose you, that person will propose you for marriage, for a long term commitment, and many of you are getting married or engaged in this rest of 2021. Let's see more. Child, so if you are waiting for a child to enter in your life, if you want to get pregnant, definitely a child will enter your life, okay. And if not a child, so maybe you will have this new fresh beginning in your life, or new fresh mindset, okay, a new way of thinking, or a new start of a relationship, okay. Something new, something fresh is coming in your life. Thoughts, so you will think a lot before taking any decisions. Maybe you have this habit of overthinking, okay. So you need to stop that. You need to just chill and let the life flow in its own way, okay. So you need to stop your habit of overthinking. Okay, now let's see from here. Okay, we have solid foundation, success with effort. So yeah, the rest of 2021 will want a lot of hard work from you, will want a lot of effort from you, but you will get this success. You will get this solid foundation, whether in relationship or in career. You will get this. Then we have happiness. A lot of happiness you are attracting in the remaining 2021. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. So yeah, you need to use your intuition, okay. If you are confused right now, just use your intuition. Just listen to your sixth sense. Okay, we have an exciting event, something exciting, something, a great event, a celebration is coming in your life, you're attracting in your life. And we have secret admirer, so someone is in love with you. Maybe you will get a proposal from the secret admirer, someone who is like afraid of telling you that they love you. Then we have someone will gossip about all your secrets, so you need to be careful about with who you share your secrets with, because not all people are trustworthy. Then a period of prosperity and abundance. So yeah, you will get this prosperity, abundance, whether material wise or whether emotional wise. You will be prosperous and abundant. Let's see guidance from you. Guidance for you. Guidance for your rest of 2021. Guidance for your rest of 2021. We have opening to your spiritual source, finding sanctuary. So if you're confused, if you are like trapped, or if you don't know where's the way, okay, you need to take help of your spiritual source. You need to be connected to that divine power, to spiritual source, because that will make your journey easy. You should always use that hidden power inside you, that spiritual power you have, to make the beneficial changes in your life, okay. So this is your reading, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.